Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me for another video. This is a planner related video. In this video I'll be using my Agenda 52 sticker book, and maybe I'll go into some of my Capital Chic Design sticker books, and also I have some elements from my girl Michelle's shop, vinbonelli.com. If you want to get these stickers that I'll be using in my spread, you can go to her shop, vinbonelli.com, and use the code BEV20, that's BEV20, to save 20% on your order. So I decided to use my Agenda 52 because I wanted some of the elements that it has in it, like the home, everything. It's like a girly girl sticker book, so I just wanted to use it for that reason. You know, business meeting and planning and all of those type of things. So I was like, why not? Plus I haven't used it in a little bit and everything. I miss my Happy Planner, guys, so I said let me plan my catch-all for this week in my Happy Planner. But I still have my A5. I'm in my A5, but sometimes you have to just scratch the itch. So this is Simply Gilded washi that I used, and I think I got it from one of the sub boxes. I really love Simply Gilded, but I had to like cancel my subscription, guys. Like, I didn't even really officially cancel it yet, but I'm gonna, because I have to make things make sense, and at this point in my life I'm not using it as fast as it's coming. You know, maybe if it was bi-monthly, every other month, I would feel better about it, but you know, there's that. So I'm just decorating this because we're gonna say goodbye to summer. We kind of really already did, but I just wanted to get one more summer spread in there before summer heads on out. So I thought that would be cool. Some flip-flops. So I kind of have a sort of busy week this week. I have a lot of open projects that I want to finish them off by the end of September. So it's only a week left, so I mean, it's not a lot, but you want to give everything its time and everything like that, so that you will be able to make sure you make quality stuff, if you know what I mean. So there's that. But I have a few gifts I have to mail out for my friends for their birthdays, cards. I have to finish working on my junk journal for my Tsunami Rose design team project. So there's just a few things that I have to get done, and you know, I'll get them done. I have the rest of the month to do it, and and I know I can do it. So let me put this here because I just really have church on Sundays, and if I'm too lazy on Saturday during my lazy day, I'll do my video after church on Sunday, but most of the time I get them done on Saturday. But I really haven't been doing anything, just mourning. But you know, I gotta get these videos out, guys. Like, I have to. So, you know, you don't want to like slow down your content and everything. So and Sunday, okay. Alright, so, you know, I think I'm okay. Dealing. I have my moments, which is normal. But, this too shall pass. So, but, let me know. I would like to get you guys' opinion. Let me know if you, I ripped that. Let me know if you guys enjoy when I go live and I craft. If, you know, I'm gonna go live, but I don't want to do it like too many days of the week, right? So let me know down in the comments if you would rather, would you want me to do it, is once a week enough, or twice a week is better? Like, one day I'll work on junk journals, or the next day I'll work on making cards, or something like that. And if once a week is enough, I'll just alternate between projects. If that's makes sense to you guys, just leave me a comment down below and let me know your opinion. And I think I am going to use some sort of study guide. I'm really leaning towards Charles Stanley because of the fact that you guys can get the free booklet as well, and you can follow along, and it'll be interactive, you know, not just me with the book and nobody else has it. So let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in, doing the Charles Stanley In Touch devotional also. So that's two things to leave me in the comment box if you don't mind. So today's a good day, y'all. Today's a good day. It really is. God is so good and perfect. Church was so good. It's always good. You know, I say that all the time. That's just because it is. You know, to be edified and grow and, you know, everything like that. It's just means so much that I have a source. We all do. You have a source that you can lean on, and that's the Holy Spirit to guide you He's always there, whether you want to acknowledge him or not. He helps the ones that know him and the ones that don't. So it's very important, you know. You gotta know that. Like, Jesus died for us so that we could be saved from our foolishness and our evil ways of this world. You know, I ain't preaching at y'all. I'm just saying how it keeps me and it sustains me, and just, I don't know how I got along without him before I knew him. I said this story before. When I was a kid, I used to get up and go to church. I didn't know why I was going or anything like that. I just knew that I was supposed to go. And my mother used to be like, "Where you going?" I don't know them people, which she should, because I'm her child and I'm young. I was like 13, 14, 15. I would just get up and go to church. So, but that was God watching over me and saving me all the way from then. Like I said, he's always there for you. So, but I think this is the end of my video. I like this, the way it turned out. If you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. And if you do, please hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I do a video or do a live stream. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.